Back to the video. So we're finally here, the track day. We have Stella right here, she's ready, number 26. I know that looks kind of funny, but we didn't buy the sticker. So we're at the streets of Willow, and check it out, guys. They're already on the track. I think this is group B. We're group D, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit. Out here with my brother. Got the gas, got the food. We didn't bring any beers, but we should have, low key. But yeah, the car emptied it out, nothing else in there. No radar for the police because there's no cops today, finally. And then we got the GoPro ready. So yeah, we got the helmet right here, guys. So they actually rent out helmets for $40 here. If you ever need one, if you come to the track day, just 40 bucks to rent it out. And then my friend let me borrow these, and these are actually pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some clips on the GoPro for you guys right now. Just letting the car cool down because we did have to drive all the way over here. As you can see, that's why my coolant is like all the way full. So when it's cold, it goes down, but right now it's all the way full. So everything's good on the car. We installed the pan hard bar yesterday, and also, what else did we install? We installed the tow hook, which is right here. So here's the tow hook. They didn't even like check if we had the tow hook. I probably could have came without that shit. But yeah, car's looking good. She's ready to be unleashed on the track. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, guys. Keep watching, hope you enjoy. Let's get it. I think our group is about to start right now. So wish me the best. Hopefully everything goes well. You got any last words, Drew?
Just be careful.
All right.
Just take your time.
True words from a wise man. True words. Dude, I'm gonna be the last one.
Team right now, so cautious, not too fast. 70% speed. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, 70% speed. Go, you're good. You have a good big gap. A really big gap with the person. Pass the yellow flag, it's gonna be a green flag.
Alright.
Yellow flag. We're just starting the track right now.
Fuck, it's hard to hear.
Start speeding up a little bit. start speeding up. Green flag, green flag. Pretty good. Right here right now, hit it. You're good right now, just fucking you all out. Start racing. And they are passing on the right. They're passing on the right, so you gotta go to pass, be on the right.
It feels like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Holy dude, it doesn't feel real with the fucking helmet on. You're good. Awesome. Yeah. Back in. Done with our session. Alright, so I just finished my first lap, guys. Or not my first lap, but my first run for the day. Dude, I'm out of words right now. Like the adrenaline running through my body, like I'm shaking. It was fun, it was crazy. This track is hard though, like there's a lot of corners, so you just feel the car pulling you, like the G-forces. So this shit, it was tough. And for my first round, I think I did pretty good. Obviously I'm gonna get better the more I do it, but yeah, it was a great time. I don't know if my GoPro got the footage, but I'm gonna show you guys that. Hopefully it did. It did start beeping in the middle of it, so we'll see. But yeah, on to the next lap. Alright guys, so it's about like 1:30 in the afternoon, and on my second lap I didn't record. My camera's been overheating, and same thing happened to my car, and that's because of me. It had the AC on.
You serious?
So this might be the last lap. A lot of cars are overheating and they might cut us short. I mean, it is 110 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so you know it's fucking hot out here. Even when you walk like just straight out, like if I walk over there, I could just feel the humid air. 110 degrees, guys. It's basically summer, so hopefully we'll get a good last run and try to, you know, not overheat the camera. And yeah, let's see what happens, guys.